Hey guys, it's Dino Shark, and today we're making a starter Pokemon tier list. So, first we have Grookey. So, Grookey is cute, but it's not like my favorite. So, I'm going to put in A tier. Same with Scorbunny, but Scorbunny only because of the anime. Sobble, S tier. Some people don't like Sobble. I just absolutely love Sobble. Whenever I get Sword and Shield and I'll do a let's play on my channel, I'm gonna choose Sobble as my starter. Tepig, Tepig's cute. He's going with them. Cyndaquil. Okay, so I used to love Cyndaquil. He used to be my favorite starter, but now I don't like him as much, so I'm just neutral. So B tier. Squirtle, same. Piplup, I really like Piplup. It used to be my favorite because, like after Cyndaquil, Piplup was my favorite, or I don't know if first Piplup was my favorite and then Cyndaquil, or the other way around. But yeah, that's because of the Diamond and Pearl Adventure anime. I mean, no, not anime, it's manga, but it takes place when this kid it's like where this kid named Hereta travels with this girl named Mitsumi who used to be part of Team Galactic and but now is good, and then they have to defeat Team Galactic. Yeah, it's pretty similar to the Diamond Pearl games because it's based off of that. In that game, Hereta gets a Piplup as a starter. And Piplup and that was really cute, so that's why I love Piplup, but it's just not in my favorite. Froakie, okay, I don't like Froakie that much because the bubbles on its nose kind of look like a mustache, and yeah, Mudkip. I love Mudkip too. Totodile, I don't know, just here. Totodile's not one of my favorites. Snivy, or a K. Oshawott. Oshawott's cute. Rowlet. I love Rowlet. Trico. Poplio. Poplio is fine with Froakie. Litten. You're only deserving of one tier higher. And then Litten's not my favorite. Charmander. You're cute. Torchic is a literal chick. And also, unlike some people, since I haven't watched the advanced anime, I do not have any special connection with May's Torchic or something. So, you're going in the E tier. Chikorita, you're cute. Bulbasaur, I don't know. There's just something that makes me like Bulbasaur a little more than the other just cute Pokemon. Turtwig, so I thought of putting it with Bulbasaur, but I'm not sure if it should go down with Chikorita. I don't have an absolute, like it's not one of my absolute favorites, so probably it goes down here. I might change it later on. Chespin, I like Chespin. Fennekin, okay. I was about to put Fennekin down with Torchic, but Fennekin, like, even if I haven't seen the whole X and Y anime, like, I see the whole Sun and Moon anime, like, from the parts I've seen, Serena's Fennekin was cute, so I'm gonna put it a little bit above Chimchar. Chimchar's cute. And yes, I think that's it. So we have Sobble, Mudkip, and Trico for S tier. For A plus tier, we have Piplup, Rowlet, Bulbasaur, and Chespin. For A tier, we have Grookey, Scorbunny, Tepig, Totodile, Oshawott, Charmander, Chikorita, Turtwig, and Chimchar. For B tier, we have Cyndaquil, Squirtle, Snivy, and Litten, C tier, Froakie, and Poplio, D tier. We have Fennekin, and E tier. We have Torchic, but that was just the first form of the stars. Let's go into the middle stages. Okay, guys, so now we have the middle stages. So first we have Ivysaur. Okay, Ivysaur is okay. I don't know if I like it as much as Bulbasaur. Maybe I'll put it up to A plus later. Charmeleon is pretty cool. War Turtle. War Turtle is not cool like Blastoise or kind of cute like Squirtle, so I don't like it that much. Like, the yokai that's based off of is pretty cool, but, like, why couldn't they have kept that inspiration to Blastoise and just gave that bushy long tail? Like, it doesn't share any traits with Squirtle or Blastoise, so, yeah. Bayleaf. Okay, I actually don't really like Bayleaf that much. People like it because of its like blade leaf on its head, but I don't really like it that much. And also, I don't like its yellow coloring, so it's going down with the War Turtle. Quilava. I quite like Quilava. Crocodile. Okay, I don't like it that much because of its caveman look. And also, I think its sprite looks weird because of the caveman look. So I might put it down with the War Turtle and Bayleaf later. Grovyle is excellent, but not as good as Trico or Sceptile. Combuskin, I actually quite like Combuskin. Marshtomp is a little derpy, so. Grottle looks weird. I don't really like Grottle. I used to like him a little more, but now, just looking back at it, like it's not cool like Torterra or cute like Turtwig. So Monferno's pretty cool. It's just that like the blue gets changed to a red in Infernape. Prinplup is kind of dirty. I'm not dirty, derpy like them. So I feel like Crocodile should go down here. Servine. I feel like it doesn't look that different from Snivy. So, over here. Pignite. Pignite looks fat, but it's fine for me. Duot. I don't really like Duot's design. Like, it looks like it's wearing clothes in. I just don't really like that. I know it's like a samurai and everything, but Samurott pulled that off way better. So, we're going here. Quilladin is round. It's round. It's not like a warrior like Chestnut or like a cute little hedgehog thingy like Chespin. It's a ball with arms and legs and a horn and a face and some hair. Not a horn, 2 horns. Braixen. Yeah, I quite like Braixen. It's just that the ear hair is a little weird, but I never minded that. Frogadier. Frogadier is pretty cool. Dartrix. Okay. Torracat. Okay. Breon. Sorry. Okay. I don't know if I want to move Frogadier over here. Actually, I won't, because, like, it doesn't have the cool, tongue scarf that Greninja had. If it had that, then I would have placed it a little bit higher, I think. Okay, but that's my tier list. None of them got to S tier. But yeah, now let's move on to the final Evos. Okay guys, so now we're in the final Evos. So Decidueye, I love Decidueye. Incineroar is cool. Hey, why does it say A? It's supposed to be A plus. Incineroar is pretty cool. Like, some people don't like Incineroar because it's literally a wrestler when he could have had like a cool saber-toothed tiger thing on 4 legs or something, but I quite like Incineroar. Me and my brother are pretty big fans of it. Primarina. Primarina. I don't know. I'll just put it over there. Meganium. Okay, so like the antenna thing is just really weird. Other than that, it's like with that's like the antenna thing is weird. Like the antennas don't have anything to do with plants. I think I'm not a plant expert or dinosaurs, so weird. Typhlosion is cool. Not that cool. It just looks like a buff Cyndaquil to me. For alligator, I quite like for alligator. Same with Sceptile. Blaziken, you're down here. Swampert, Torterra, and Farnape. And Polion is awesome. Venusaur just looks like a giant Ivysaur, so you're down with Meganium. Superior. Okay, just why does it lose its legs? Other than that, it's pretty cool. Embor is cool. Samurott is pretty cool. Why are there 2 Decidueyes? Let's just leave this there. And why are there 2 sets of Alola starters? Chestnut, I quite like Chestnut. I actually feel like putting Samurai and Chestnut in S tier. Delphox, okay. Greninja, cool. Charizard, cool. Blastoise, cool. So that's the final starter one. Goodbye!